Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Tattoo marks. Tattoo marks. The designs or patterns manually made in the skin by multiple small puncture wounds with needles or electrical vibrator dipped in coloring matter is tattoos. So, the dyes used in tattoos include for black color, Indian ink and carbon dye is used. For red color, cinnabar and vermilion color dye is used. For green color, chromic acid dye is used. For blue color, indigo, cobalt and Prussian blue dye is used. Permanency of tattoos and disappearance. Most permanent tattoos are made when dye penetrates the dermis. If the dye is superficial, the tattoo will fade by 10 years of age. If it is injected too deep, then the dye is removed by phagocytes. So, permanent tattoos are made when the dye penetrates the dermis.
thank you and thank you for watching.